Hey everybody, I'm Ginger Birkenbuell, CEO of Burke Creative and the host of the Honest Field Guide podcast, back to talk about this latest hair beanie bonnet wrap that I have on my head. This one is the 2-piece of silk satin that came in this bag that I mentioned earlier in this post, and I wore it yesterday, woke up this morning, did my thing. This is one of these beanies that actually comes two in a bag. So there's a gray one and there's a black one. I wore the gray one last night. And as you might remember, I don't put things over my ears. I can't sleep over my ears. I have to put them, it's got to be like, I have to have it like this. And you know what? This is probably not going to work. This is not going to work for my hair. I just, and some people are going to say, well, of course it's not going to work for your hair. You have too much hair. But I'm trying all these things because, a lot of these products are online and on sale, and you buy them and they cost you a ton of money. You get them and you're not really happy with them, or maybe you are happy with them, but then it becomes an issue of how do I send this back because it's too tight? Because, back in the day, you could go to the store and try things on. Well, now everything's online, so you can't really try everything on the way you used to. And Amazon's pretty good about taking returns, but when it comes to things like this, I'm like, I don't want to return this because it's been on my hair. I've got product on my hair. But anyway, this particular beanie, which, came in this nondescript package, it's like, doesn't even have any logos or branding. I have no idea I don't even really know who made this or who designed it. But it does have, satin on the inside. It's not silk. And it's got some kind of a, I don't know what this is on the outside. It might be cotton. I'm not sure. The same with this gray one. This has, satin on the inside. And it's a little too tight for me. I woke up with a little bit of a headache this morning, so I don't think this is something I can wear because there's no way for me to actually loosen this either. I can't make it any looser because there's a piece on here that grips your head a little bit so that it doesn't come off your head at night. And the reason it probably didn't come off my head last night is because I have so much hair here. I don't even want to take this off because it's going to be embarrassing and I want this to be all over the internet, but I can take off a piece of it and let you know that this is, this is probably not going to be, why don't I just take it off? Why not? Woo! Oh my God. Oh my goodness. No. Yeah, no. This is, this kind of matted my hair down in a really, really weird way. This really matted my hair down strangely, so I don't think so. Anyway, so I have another one to review. Again, this is the one, and I have the link, so please subscribe to this channel. You can click the link. It is my affiliate link, so, I'll get a little something if you decide to buy this. And I don't recommend you don't buy it. I'm just sort of saying that for people with hair like mine, with big hair, this is not a solution. Now, it would be a solution if you are putting your hair in a ponytail. Like if you're having your hair in a ponytail, and I wish I had, I have my scrunchie. I could maybe try this in a ponytail. I can't actually right now because my hair is too big. I have to get some water on it. But if you want to try this, like if you have a ponytail or something, or, maybe if you're going to work out and your hair can be pulled back tight with some product, or if you have straight hair or a weave or braids, this probably would be good. But if you're wearing your hair natural like me and you have an afro, this is not going to be a solution for you. But I do kind of, they look good if your hair's flat. Otherwise, I kind of feel like I have, it looks like I have big braids, which I don't when I had this on, if you notice. At this point, there's another product. I'm just going to do them both. It's the GB. This actually has nice packaging because you actually have branding on it. This is GB Selected. Easy to enjoy, hard to forget. This is a very similar product right here. And let me see if I can actually just get it on because I might as well just review them all together because this might be a better solution. This seems like this is better quality. And of course, because of the branding, it's got better quality. So yeah, this is maybe this would be a better one. Yeah, this is probably a better solution. It's definitely looser. I can already tell putting it on, it's got much better quality. And probably can, I probably can sleep with this one. So yeah, this one is actually better. So if I had to choose between the two, because this has like an elastic band on it, so that is way better for me already. I can tell that it'll get looser, and if I want to just super stretch it out, it will. So you know what? This is actually better. If you're going to go with one of these types of beanies, I'm going to put in my notes that the GB Select is a better solution. It's a much better solution for this type of experience if this is what you're looking for versus one of these bonnets, which is a little bit better for hair like mine or bigger women or men that have large, or people that have large afro hair. So anyway, that is pretty much it. I'm going to look for some more to review, but this is where I'm at with all of these, and I will put things in the notes. Please subscribe to my channel at Burke Creative. I do have all of this on a separate playlist on my YouTube channel. And, like and share the blog. And if you do want to use my affiliate links, please do so. They are attached to every single review of every single bonnet I did the last week. And I will be reviewing some more of these as time goes on, because I'm always on the lookout for the best bonnet hair wrap possible now that I've completely and fully transitioned to natural hair. Yes, I have. It's natural hair. So I'm really excited about some of these products, and I hope there's some really beautiful ones that are coming out soon. So thank you. And again, subscribe. I'm Ginger Birkenmuehl, CEO of Burke Creative, and really happy that you watched this. And I hope that I've helped you make some more informed decisions about what you should be doing with your natural hair at night so that you wake up beautiful and gorgeous and feeling confident in what you've done with your hair. That's it.